What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to go over another stock brokerage platform. And if you're really interested in these stock brokerage platforms, all these different reviews, make sure you hit the like button and also comment down below and let me know that you're interested in these, and I'll keep making them, keep talking about them because I like investing. But if it doesn't really get as much traction, if people don't like it from my channel, if they expect only credit cards, then, I'll give them what they want because, I want to give a lot of the people who subscribe to me what they're here for. So if you like these videos, make sure you comment down below. Let me know that you like these videos. But I really wanted to get into another stock brokerage platform. This time I'm going over Robinhood. Now, Robinhood is one of the more popular stock brokerage sites. It's literally known for its $0 commissions, and it's known for being the mobile investment platform of the future, if that's what you want to call it. So I know a lot of people that invest with Robinhood, and I really wanted to get into a review just so I can see what all the fuss is about and understand what's going on in the background. But before I start, remember that I'm doing a giveaway. So every week I'm giving away 2 Amazon gift cards on a Friday. So all you have to do to enter that giveaway is comment down below, comment on every video for the week, as many as you can. Also like every video that you can, and be subscribed to my channel to be entered in that giveaway. So what is Robinhood? Robinhood is a free trading app that is ideal for investors who want to trade stocks, options, exchange traded funds, and cryptocurrencies without paying a commission or fees. This is something that they're known for, is $0 commissions, and get people invested in the stock market, young people, millennials who really don't want to take the time to invest in things, who don't want to take the time in owning credit cards. They don't like debt. They don't like putting money aside. They have less than $1,000 in their bank account. People who really want to start dabbling in investing. And I wouldn't say that this is for the seasoned investor, but it's for those types of people. Though Robinhood offers web and mobile trading, the platforms are purposely bare bones, and some investors may find the range of tradable securities and account options lacking. That's something that I've heard, but a lot of people don't really get into that. They tell me, oh, I invested in this with Robinhood. I always try to invest with this in Robinhood. Now, if you don't have the amount of securities, the amount of stocks to be able to trade, then that's just the platform. But they do introduce you to investing, and I'm sure as they grow that things will change and you will have more securities in this platform. But right now, I would say it's for the person who really wants to get introduced. So this really interests me because the thing that I want to do is teach everybody about investing in the stock market, about making your money work for you. And the best way that you can do that is find something that easily introduces that concept to them without having to overwhelm them. So like a lot of people will go into these platforms that they have, like a TD Ameritrade, and they'll get overwhelmed by what they have. They don't understand what's going on. They don't know where to go first. But something like a Robinhood who really teaches you something, and you can just log in from the app and then automatically get any type of tips on what you need to do, where you need to go. It's very simplified. That's what you really need. You need something very simple to understand what you're doing, because I've seen people get completely overwhelmed by what they had. And it's known, like these platforms are known as starter kits or something like that. And if you can't start, if you get overwhelmed, those people are just going to give up. So you want to introduce it to them without having to overwhelm them. And I think that they do a great job with Robinhood. So what are some pros that Robinhood has? They have no commission on stock trades. That's definitely a good thing, is that you don't have to pay anything when you trade your stocks, when you buy and sell your stocks. They also have no account minimums, which everybody is really moving towards. And they have a streamlined interface. Some cons that they have no retirement accounts. That's not a good thing, because you want to have that long-term success, long-term wealth. Especially for someone who's starting out, just to see their money grow over time, because they're not going to be actively trading. They just want to trade something and then watch it grow, whether it is a mutual fund, whether it is, an index fund, whether you do look at a long-term investment in a stock like Amazon or something, then you want to see that growth. But And then you also want to be able to not pay taxes on it. So that's something that's very key. You also have no mutual funds or bonds, which sucks. I mean, those are the least risky option, and that's what you want in a brokerage account or a platform that is introducing you to the market. So that's not a good thing. And they also have limited customer service. So every company has their problems, and I've dealt with my fair share of customer service calls and customer service that sucked and that was good. So I really find it as a true benefit when you have a good customer service or you have a customer service that's there. If you have limited customer service, then that's like a complete turnoff for me. I don't want it. No. So Robinhood says they're best for frequent stocks, options, or EFT traders, mobile users, individual tax accounts, margin accounts, and cryptocurrencies. Now, I would say the only thing that they really got right was the mobile users. This is for people who are on the go. Millennials nowadays are doing so many different things at one time. And I'm saying millennials as in if I'm not one, but I am. But we're doing so many different things nowadays that it's good to have that mobile option. I like to do it old fashioned and have, 2 screens, 3 screens and be able to trade my stocks. That's only because I'm into more day trading and swing trading and reading the charts and all types of things like that, different analysis. But a lot of people are mobile. So that's really the only thing that they got right here. Yes, they're for individual tax accounts, but I mean, every stock brokerage account has, individual taxable accounts. So I'm kind of scratching that one. Also, margin accounts. I mean, there's tons of platforms out there that offer margin accounts. You just have to request it, and they have better customer service in order to request it. You know what? I take that back. Cryptocurrencies, probably, because there's not an easy way of just getting into cryptocurrencies. And if you have a platform that solely says that they pride themselves on cryptocurrencies as well, then that's definitely a good thing. So I would say mobile users and cryptocurrencies is something that they got right here. Everything else could be changed or used in a different account. I wouldn't say this is for those types of people. So who I think Robinhood is best for, it's for the millennial. That's what I've been saying this whole entire time. The person that moves the most, that's mobile, that wants to have $0 commissions, that wants to know that they're not paying any fees when they invest in something and they can just invest their money and go. Not someone who prides themselves in day trading or trading or, finding ways to make money in the market. It's just someone who wants to find long-term success with just trading a couple of stocks here and there. Now, you don't have all of the options that other people would have with trading like a Fidelity, but, you still get a lot with Robinhood, and it's for those types of people. And I'm not getting on anybody for trading with Robinhood. If you do, then you find success with it, then whatever works for you works, and I'm not going to complain. So just some stats to look at when you think of Robinhood. So they have $0 commissions. They have $0 minimums. They have a $2,000 minimum on margin accounts, which is not bad. Other accounts, I believe First Trade has a $2,000 minimum, but then you have like other accounts that may have like a $10,000 minimum just to make sure that, you have enough money to cover it, because margin accounts are tricky. And if you don't understand it, don't do it. Robinhood uses instant verification with many major banks, which is definitely a good thing to have instant verification so that you can fund your account quick. It's very easy to use, easy to fund your account. You can set up a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly deposit, which is definitely a good thing to have something on a schedule so that you always put money in there and have it invested in certain areas. So those are some key stats that I seen from this site, from Robinhood. Would I change over from Fidelity to Robinhood? Absolutely not. Just because I have more analysis and more research tools with Fidelity. But it's definitely a good platform, and I'm not going to say that people that use it suck. You don't. You're doing a good thing by being introduced to it. But after you start getting comfortable, I think you should move to a better platform or move to multiple platforms. It doesn't hurt to have Robinhood and Fidelity or Ally Bank or something like that. So I would say do that, find a way to get introduced to it, which would be with this, and then move on to a better situation. So that's my review of Robinhood. Hopefully you did like it. If you did, make sure you hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And remember that I'm doing a giveaway every single week. So make sure you put your name in the hat by commenting on every video for this week, as many videos as possible. Also liking every video that you can. I'm going to be picking 2 names and announcing it on my community tab. So make sure that you put your name in the hat. So thank you for watching, and I'm going to have to get out of here. But until next time, I'll see you guys later.